What is up, guys? It is your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and we finished on the oil filter on the last video, so we're gonna cut to it right now. So right now I'm putting the valve cover together. Put the gasket on the valve cover. That took a little while. This outside piece is a lot more difficult than it seems. It's just so gummy. There's no like really rigidity to it. So it's hard to find exactly where it goes on this thing or how to orient it onto it. So that takes a little while, but it's done. We're good to go. Next step is just going to be cleaning this up one more time, just on the double check, kind of run through it one more time. I did bungee kind of the wires out of the way because I had a lot of difficulty when I was pulling it out with all these wires kind of hanging all over it and everything. So I'm going to clean it one more time. Then we're tossing her in. Alrighty, bang bang skeet skeet, baby. She's all together. She's good to go. Just got to throw some oil in her. Probably crank her over a couple times just so it doesn't start up right away. And then good to go. All right, everything's put back together. Obviously, I don't have the cowl pieces in just yet, but I just want to run it, check the oil level, and see if I need to add any more. Battery's dead. All right, let's see if she blows up. Oh, I have literally every light on the dash. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. And there's smoke. From what? I don't know. Oh, okay. It looks like just some residual from when I brake cleaned. Some of the oil pump went on the exhaust. Cooked it up. Boom! She runs. She's good. Beautiful. She stopped smoking. Valve cover's done. All the other seals and whatnot are done. She's happy. She's not leaking. Gonna put the covers on. Then I'm actually gonna slide in the bottom covers for the under trays and everything like that. Slide those on, then I could drop this thing down and pull it out, and then we could go for a little test drive. All right,
yeah, we're live.
There we go. We got David in the passenger seat. We're gonna go for a little test drive, see if we can get kind of these, get this thing moving, maybe get these lights off. All right, we're taking a little cruise.
Wait, hold up.
David popped into the old driver's seat. He's gonna give her, a test.
Yeah.
So far, so good, though. So far, so good. It's just got the lights on. So we're just gonna go for a little cruise, figure this out. I'm just hoping us spinning these wheels kind of get those lights off, but...
Yeah, it'll come off the car.
All right, test drive over. What do you think?
Great success. Very nice. Yeah, she runs like a champ. Little tweaks here and there, but she's a daily driver if I've ever seen one. For a 12-year-old car, she runs a mint. For a car that has 200,000 miles, it runs better than half the Hondas on the block, so... Yeah, what else can you say, really? Respectfully, though. Respectfully. We love all the Hondas.
So, we're just going to leave her running in here for a little bit. Obviously, I'm going to leave the garage door open. Going to leave her running, just so we got kind of hotbox the inside, get a lot of the moisture and bullshit out. Yesterday, we took a test drive in the BMW. The front looked like it was, like, shaking back and forth. We figured out it was lower control arms. So we went over to our local provider.
Yes, we went to Project M Parts in Patterson. We got some lower control arms. Well, one of two, apparently. On BMWs, there's two. We're going to switch them out, and hopefully that fixes our problem.
Hopefully. If not, we're returning them. They do look a little... Obviously, they're used. The joint here looks fine, but, I mean, that just looks mashed up. So, I don't even know if it's going to even screw on or what the situation is. But, I'm probably just going to put a wire brush to it or something. Or I don't know. And we'll slap them on there. Dave's going to be in the back here giving her good old polish.
Yep.
Yep. And that's it. We got some candy. So, get sugared up and let's get it going.
Yes, sir.
He does it?
No.
All right, guys, it is the next day. The last clip, me and David were finishing up the polishing, and I was putting in the lower control arms, like the front and back lower control arms in the front. So we made some runs in the morning, and we just pulled this this baby out. We're doing a quick little cleaning, a little touch up. David's over here having fun on the vacuum. We're gonna touch this thing up, make it look nice and pretty and shiny, and then we're gonna pull up to a nice spot, take some pictures, and it should be good. It's coming out nice. I'm touching up like little things, like I reconnected like the actual cover for the speaker. Found the rear view mirror like snapped off, so I kind of re-adhered the actual little slip-on John over there. So just waiting on that to dry and harden everything so I can slip it back on. And that's pretty much it. The only thing we're really missing on the interior part of it is the front driver little plastic cover thing. But I don't know if that's a big thing or not. If anything, we'll for like 10-15 bucks, we'll go to a local shop that we've been getting all these like parts from, and hopefully they have one where we could just, you know, get one for like 10 bucks. Besides that, she's looking beautiful. Look at this thing. You can see David's reflection in this shit. Looking good, baby. Only thing that don't work in this interior though is like these cup holders, but they never do in these cars, which sucks. It would have been dope if they worked, but let's get it cracking. Let's keep going with this thing, and I'll show you guys the final product when we pull her out and get some pictures of her. Yep, we're gonna hit lunch. Dave's gonna take this bad boy for lunch real quick.
Up the block to the right.
Up the block.
To the right.
You know.
Dude. Yeah, that's it. Gonna clap you right here.
So me and Dave, we're pretty much done with the BMW. Last thing we did was the lower control arms, replaced those. That fixed a lot of the like suspension, front end kind of like shaking and issues and stuff. The only thing left we had was the bunch of codes that were on the dash, like the 4x4, the DCS, right? DCS or DCS, traction control light, and then ABS light were on, and the brake light was red. We were reading a bunch of things, and then the front passenger side was actually flooded through the whole process of us taking the carpets out and stuff like that, and then this was completely submerged on that passenger side. So, I mean, might as well swap it out, see if it works. If it works, it's great, and if it gets rid of those codes, it's even better. So we're gonna pop all this stuff out. This guy that sent it to us sent it in a bunch of Amazon packages, even though we ordered it from eBay, but this is what it is. Alright, it's in. I don't know if there's any sequence or anything to have to turn the battery off or on, or, but turn it on anyway. Dude, all the lights went off.
Really?
Every single light's off.
Hey, let's go.
Look at this, bro. Every single light went off. Except the service engine, but fuck that.
Here, hold it.
Hey, yo. Look at this. We got a clear dash, baby.
Yeah,
Let's go. Dude, that's fire.
TPM malfunction.
TPM? Tire pressure probably.
We gotta put air in this hoe, bro. I did already do it. Check its service engine, that's fine.
Hey, yo. That's what's up.
Wanna go try her out?
Yeah, let's go test drive her. We turned traction control off for testing purposes only. We'll stop right here real quick. Alright. Oh, dude, she boogies. Boogies.
Where's the parking lot, bro? We need some back road, like.
And Is this thing whippable like that?
We're about to find out.
You better find out. I had to do a little swap. See, she grips right up.
She do.
There's no doing that.